We loved this little project so much, and it was so unique to our home. I've never seen anyone else actually have shelves right there in the window. This is my home office, and this is my window full of plants. And let me tell you, I get so many compliments on this. It's my Zoom background, it's my Microsoft background. When people have a Google Meet or a virtual meeting with me, they're always looking at this and they're saying, is that real? Do you really have plants right inside your window? I do, and let me tell you how this happened. I'm in a basement office. This is a small basement bedroom with an ugly window well right there. What we did is we actually grabbed some privacy film that we bought on Amazon, and we just stuck it right to that window so that it neutralizes the effect of this ugly window well, and it just lets out kind of this soft, beautiful light as it comes through. It kind of casts these rainbow shadows and rainbow reflections right here in my office. And then I just grabbed some scrap wood that I happen to have in the garage, shelf wood, boom, and I built home office window shelves. So easy. I cut them to size. Put them right inside the window. I grabbed a little piece of the shelf from the excess and I just shaved it off, and I used that as the supports for these. Measured, made sure that they're equidistant from one another, put plants on them, and I have never gotten more compliments on my background than with this little setup that I have in my home office. We loved it so much that I built the same thing 2 more places in the house. Let's go look. Here we are in our basement. Same kind of thing here. It's not a window well on this side, but it's just a fence. It's not really attractive. So we decided to do the same privacy film that we had in my home office. It casts these nice little rainbows throughout the room. You can see them here on the floor and on the couch there. Again, scrap wood that I happen to have around. I built little tiny shelf supports on the sides of the window frame, and I just inset these shelves right there in the window, stuck plants on it, and we love it. Well, this window's interesting because we get a lot of light through here. We had a shade that we would sometimes pull down, but this isn't a major part of our view. It's actually looking over the neighbor's yard and kind of into the neighbor's house, and we felt like, you know what, we might enjoy a little bit more privacy in this window and a lot more plants. So I did the same thing as before. In fact, my wife was looking at this window. I caught her kind of looking at it. I said, what are you thinking? And she said, I love plants. I love green. I love light. And I love the beauty that comes with these plants being displayed in our house. What if we did a similar window project to what we've done in your office and what we did downstairs? Right then, I ran into the backyard, out to the shed, and I found some shelf wood. I was just hoping to find something. Look at this. Shelf wood right here in the shed for free. Boom. Brought it in, pulled down my custom workbench. Alexa, turn on shop lights. Pulled out my saw. I cut these things to size. And I found some little L brackets. Totally embarrassed to show this off, but we got the wood for free out in the shed, and now we're looking for something to hang it. This is my drawer of sins. But I found these little L brackets, corner braces. This will do the trick just fine. Let's go put them in. And those L brackets are what I use to kind of hide the supports. On the ones downstairs, I actually just cut a little piece of the shelf, and I actually just screwed that in with screws to the frame of the window. But this is our main floor. This is our upstairs, our main living space. I wanted it to look a little bit nicer, so I just got these 1-inch L brackets that I happen to have around. All of these projects cost me $0. I happen to have those L brackets around, and I just installed those right into the side of the window frame, and I figured out the exact height that I wanted these 2 shelves. Then I grabbed my level and I leveled out a line . Using those L brackets, I screwed those into the side of the window frame. And then I just placed these shelves right on top. And then put in one screw on each side of each shelf to hold them in place and make sure that they are strong and secure. Then of course came the fun part. We went to Home Depot to buy some plants. My favorite part of every project is when I'm done with my build and I get to hand the baton over to Danielle and let her kind of do her thing. She grabbed the plants, she grabbed the pots, and she went to town kind of placing them and making sure that they all looked right in our main living space. Guys, this was the simplest project. I think I was done in maybe 90 minutes, maybe an hour. Very simple, very fun. If you have a window in your house that you feel like isn't doing you any favors, you maybe want to dress it up a little bit, or maybe it's a window like this where you'd like some privacy, whether it's an ugly window well, like my home office, a fence, like our basement, or the neighbor's yard, like this one. Fun fact, during this little project, I decided to count how many houseplants we have. Just for fun, we thought we'd count the houseplants, just see where we are. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I asked all my kids to guess about how many houseplants we would have. Living houseplants, I don't count the fakies, 66. If you love plants like I do, if you love projects like I do, this is a great one. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd love to, and we'll see you in the next project.